Imagine powering your home with the most efficient solar panels available today. What if I told you that some panels can convert nearly a quarter of sunlight into electricity? Most home solar panels today are between 19% and 21% efficient, but some manufacturers are pushing the boundaries to 22% and beyond. Maxeon leads the pack with an impressive 22.8% efficiency rating for their SunPower residential AC 440W model. Close behind, Rex Alpha Pure RX 470W panels boast a 22.6% efficiency, thanks to their half-cut technology. Jinko Solar's Eagle G6440W panel isn't far off, with a 22.53% efficiency rating, utilizing advanced TOPCon cells. Heileine's 108 HCM 10 TPCSL all-black 440W panel achieves 22.49% efficiency, proving that lesser-known brands can compete with the best. Yingli Solar's Panda 3.0 Pro 435W panel rounds out the top 5 with a 22.28% efficiency rating. But what exactly does solar panel efficiency mean? It's the measure of how well a panel converts sunlight into usable electricity. Higher efficiency means more electricity from the same amount of sunlight, making your solar investment more valuable. In 2010, the average solar panel was only 14.1% efficient. We've come a long way since then. To put it in perspective, gasoline car engines are about 25% efficient, and power plants are just 36% efficient. So, 22% efficiency for solar panels is quite impressive when you think about it. However, high-efficiency panels come at a cost, adding about $2,000 to the total installation price. A 7 kilowatt system with premium panels might cost around $23,100, compared to $19,900 for standard panels. But the price gap is narrowing, thanks to brands like Canadian Solar and Longi, offering great efficiency at lower costs. Several factors impact solar panel efficiency, including the type of solar cells used and how the panels are installed. Monocrystalline panels are the most efficient and are commonly used in home installations. Technologies like PERC, TOPCon, HJT, and bifacial cells have further boosted efficiency. PERC cells have an extra layer to reflect photons back into the cell, generating more electricity. TOPCon cells add layers of silicon dioxide and polycrystalline silicon, reducing heat losses. HJT technology combines monocrystalline and thin film materials to capture more light wavelengths. Bifacial cells can generate electricity from light hitting both the front and back of the panel. The direction and angle of installation also matter. South-facing roofs are ideal in the US for maximum sunlight. The angle should be between 20 and 45 degrees, depending on your location's latitude. Weather conditions like snow, cloud cover, and shade can also affect efficiency, but colder temperatures can actually improve it. To keep your system running at its best, monitor performance, install panels on optimal roof space, and keep them clean. Remember, solar panels won't always operate at 100%, but consistent low output could indicate an issue. When buying solar panels, consider not just efficiency but also power output and warranty terms. Most panels come with a 25-year performance warranty and a 12 to 15-year product warranty. Choosing the right installer is crucial. Look for positive reviews, certified crews, and at least 5 years in business. Ready to make the switch? Use our solar calculator to find out how many panels you need and connect with trusted local installers. Power your future with the best in solar technology.